Kelly, welcome back to my channel. So obviously since the premiere of Black Panther, we have all been feeling very Wakanda forever hashtag, and in celebration of it hitting $1 billion in the box office, of course I thought I would bring my subbies a Black Panther inspired DIY, something super dope. But it's not like anybody's walking around in Black Panther masks, except maybe this guy or this guy or this person, but I'm not sure any of my subscribers are doing that. So during All-Star Weekend, Michael B. Jordan, aka ERIK Killmonger, was spotted wearing this dope bomber jacket that had Killmonger on the back, and I was like, yes, we must recreate that. This is definitely gonna be a little bit similar, well, like super similar to the Kylie Jenner merch bomber jackets that I made. If you haven't watched that video, I will put it right here for you to watch after this one. You'll be using an iron, some scissors, you're gonna need your laptop, you're gonna need an inkjet printer, and Avery dark fabric printout transfer paper, as well as a bomber jacket. And shout out to all the other Kellys or Kelseys or Kellens, whatever your name may be, because I'm gonna change mine up just a little bit, kind of customize it and make it Killmonger instead of Killmonger. Get it? Dope. Alrighty, if you are interested in that, let's get started. So first off, you are going to want to Google and find your font. Good thing for you guys, I already looked up varsity font, athletic font, sports font, football font, and found, ta-da, Jersey M54 is the exact font you're going to want to use. You are welcome. Go ahead and hit that download button to download it. Next, the easiest way to do this is to insert a vertical text box and then go ahead and write your text. And it will go vertically for you, so you don't have to flip it around. You want to use as much as the sheet of paper as possible. I ended up using text size 145 to make it fit on the page in Word. Okay, y'all, full transparency. This is how mine came out. You can see it has like a little bit of bleed through from the back. I've used the Avery transfer paper plenty of times. I figured I'm like, just go for it, do it. But don't be like me. Test a piece of your material before you go and do that. Good thing for me though, I kind of like it. Because if you think about it, ERIK Killmonger is really like, you know, dirty, down and dirty. And I kind of like it, gives it like just a grungy vibe, a little gritty vibe, more a little vintagey. So it worked out for me. If you are like really going for this, then hopefully it works out for you too. But this is real life. That's what DIYs are for. They do it yourself. That's what happens sometimes. Good thing it worked out for me, but look. I'll show you guys with it on.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA.
If you made it to this part of the video, it's a short video, so if you didn't make it this far, then like, are we friends? But if you did make it to this part of the video, go ahead and comment down below whether you are Team Killmonger or Team T'Challa. Which one? Obviously, I think I'm biased here, you know. You already know which one I did. Put it on a jacket. But comment that down below. Alright guys, I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!
Because it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got dark, I got evil that rot inside my DNA. I got off, I got trouble, some heart inside my DNA. I just win again, then win again like